up or to set the flow of water. Or should we say, there's a really process upon electric dam. So, I'm going to discuss about the 4 major types of dam. The first one is the gravity dam. The second one is the ice dam. The third one is the buffer. The fourth one is the embankment. So, gravity dam. These types of dams are made from concrete or masonry, in which it uses this weight in order to hold on to the ground and stopping the water from the reservoir to tip over from the dam, or you can say that it is going to destroy the dam with the force of water. It uses the downward force of the weight of the construction material to resist the horizontal force of the water. So, this is the position of the gravity dam, in which this gravity dam was created as
Nasultan mo sa report ni Eric. Okay, ang report ni Eric. Ari, pastang sa baha. Tapa, si Eric. No. Ha 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 ha.